Krishna sat under a kadamba tree, lost in thoughts of Kishori. Subal came and said, "Oh Saka, what's happening with you? Who are you contemplating? Why don't you speak? Get up and take part in the games." "Oh Subal," Krishna replied, "as soon as I think of Radharani, I forget everything." So that forest where Krishna sat down, thought about Radharani and became Bulga is Bulanavan. So you read that and you meditate, okay, Krishna, there's Kadamba tree and so many trees around. Boys are playing. What are they playing? Oh, they're playing kabaddi kabaddi. And Balaram's on one side, Subal's on the other. All this comes in your creativity. You know, many of you, I'm sure, can draw. You're artists. You can sing. You can do so many things. You're all very intelligent, cultured people. Use all those things. Use all those things in the lila.